Namaste, I'm Akanksha Swaroop. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to arrive in the United States today for a 3-day visit, starting with the Quad Leaders Summit to be hosted by US President Joe Biden in Wilmington, Delaware, which is his hometown. And along with other global leaders, he will be attending the summit in Biden's hometown of Delaware. Following this, Prime Minister Modi will also be heading to New York, where he will address a large community event in Long Island on 22nd of September. The next day, on 23rd of September, which is Monday, he will be speaking at the UN's Summit of the Future before returning to India. His address to the Indian diaspora will take place at the Nassau Veterans Memorial Coliseum in New York. What's noteworthy is that senior US White House officials have also met with Sikh activists to discuss threats facing Sikhs in the United States, including a foiled murder plot against Gurpatwant Singh Pannu. The meeting with senior White House officials and US intelligence officials came 2 days before President Joe Biden is all set to meet Indian Prime Minister Modi. While the Khalistan issue remains an irritant between New Delhi and Washington, what stands out is India's contribution as a peacemaker in the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war and as a counter to Chinese aggression in the Indo-Pacific. We'll be deep diving into all of that, but first up, must watch those visuals on the right side of your screen. That is of the Indian diaspora all set to welcome Prime Minister Modi in Delaware. On the left side of your screen, you can see Prime Minister, in fact, departing for the United States. Let me tell you, he will be arriving in Philadelphia, firstly, from where he will be on his way to the hotel in Delaware. And it will be in Delaware that the US President will be hosting heads of states from Australia, Japan, India, and of course the US President himself to the Quad Summit. Let's quickly go across to Aman Sharma, who's joining me live on the broadcast. Aman has been reporting the minute-by-minute details of this entire visit. Aman, a very good morning to you. Now, give us a sense of what to expect from Prime Minister's visit in Delaware. And first of all, in how much time will Prime Minister be arriving there, and take us through all the preparations over there?
Well, Akanksha, the Prime Minister would be arriving in about an hour's time. He'll be landing at the Philadelphia International Airport. From there, he will drive down to Delaware. This is the hotel. We're right outside Hotel DuPont in Delaware, where the Prime Minister will be coming first. He'll be resting here for a bit, seeing a great performance by the Indian community here. And Akanksha, Delaware is the sister state of Gujarat. This is the only American state with which India has had an MOU, Gujarat government, because the large Gujarati community will live in Delaware. So there is a special connection of Prime Minister Narendra Modi also with Delaware, because Delaware is the sister state of Gujarat, and this is also Joe Biden, US President Joe Biden's hometown, a place Joe Biden has represented since 1973 in the US Senate till 2009. He moved here in 1953. He studied from the University of Delaware, which is not far from here. So in a way, the hometown of US President Joe Biden and the sister state of Gujarat, the home state of Narendra Modi. We have members of the Indian diaspora here who are waiting for the Prime Minister's arrival.
I would love it if you can go and speak to all those members of the Indian diaspora, because we also know that Prime Minister will be receiving a grand welcome in Long Island in New York. But let's also have it from the Indians who have gathered in full strength over there to welcome Prime Minister Modi in Delaware, which happens to be US President's hometown.
Absolutely. Kem Cho to everybody in from and sister state of Gujarat. So, क्यों है Delaware special और प्रधानमंत्री मोदी के यहाँ आने का? What is the main, you think, big thing about it?
सबसे पहले, first of all, I would like to thank News 18. You are the most non-biased channel in India.
Thank you so much, sir.
And you always say what is right and what is wrong. Modi ji, he's coming here, and we are so happy. We have such a huge community, Indian community here. Number one, we are also a sister state to Gujarat, and there are so many MOUs, Delaware delegation have signed with Gujarat, and we always, look forward for India's progress, and Modi is doing for last 10 years. He has done to Gujarat also, and we wish, good luck to Modi ji for next 15, 20 years, to keep, bring our next to 2047, make our country, superpower, and, he said number 3rd economy, we want to reach number 1 economy. Thanks.
Thank you. And you want to reach number one economy. Also, Mr. Modi ji's long record as a prime minister. How do you think that reflects? वो कैसे reflect करता है यहाँ पे? Especially coming in, what do Indo-American community think about it?
Indo-American community, they love Modi. He is a world leader, and we are very happy to see him in our Delaware.
तो जो यहाँ की कम्युनिटी है, मैंने ये भी देखा काफी जोश है. A diaspora event is happening in New York in Long Island, but it seems you've arranged a diaspora event, mini diaspora event for PM Modi here itself.
Absolutely, it's a nice welcome we are gonna do for him. We have arranged a nice Garba group here, so when he enters the hotel, there is going to be a Gujarati Garba performance for him. A nice, vibrant Delaware community is here to welcome him. We have the Commission on Indian Heritage in Delaware. The Gujarat and Delaware are sister states, so there is a big synergy here. A nice, vibrant community here. And thank you for to President Biden to invite Prime Minister Modi to Delaware. The Quad meeting itself is a very eminent meeting. Four leaders are meeting here, so he will be visiting President Biden's home. He's invited there. So it is a first time happening ever. We are witnessing a big moment here. So both the President and Prime Minister will be meeting and discussing how they can strengthen the India-Delaware partnership. So we all are so proud to welcome him to our state.
Yes, and Akanksha, I would like to take you maybe to some women also who are in large numbers here collected, and so we'll speak to some of them, and people of all ages in fact are here, and some women. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi coming to Delaware, what is the feeling here amongst the local community? What do you feel?
I mean, incredibly honored. This is the honor of my life to be able to see he's done incredible things for the country. I'm truly proud to have this opportunity, truly grateful.
And Delaware is also the sister state of Gujarat, so a lot of big Gujarati community here. Prime Minister coming here to Joe Biden's hometown.
Yes, we're so excited to see him, meet him, and we are very proud of him, and we are welcoming him with our full heart.
What do you think? Do you think Prime Minister Modi has been the Prime Minister for 10 years almost, Mr. Modi now? Do you think it's worked well for India?
Oh yeah, fantastic. We think it's Gupta dynasty or our golden age now coming back to India right now.
He's won a record third term, and there are a lot of attacks also on Mr. Modi politically in India.
Yeah, that's how we truly agree. So we all read the golden age of India, in history books. Now we are seeing it right now. Yeah.
Sir, you are also here. Despite your age, you are here to see Mr. Modi?
Of course. It's a great honor to see him. He is one of the best things happening to India now, and we are very proud to welcome him here.
How have you seen India change, sir? You've seen a lot, I'm sure.
Oh, yes, we came here 50 years back, and we are so proud to see India progressing so nicely.
Do you think for Indian American community under Mr. Modi, the diaspora also feels, more proud that, we have a government in India with which, Americans have such a close relationship?
Definitely. We feel proud that India is progressing. We go there every few years, and we see the progress India is making. Fantastic. I'm from Hyderabad, by the way, and Hyderabad is progressed just like Paris now. It's so good.
Hyderabad is like Paris, that's you hear from the gentleman here, and a lot of women here. So Mr. Modi has always emphasized a lot on Nari Shakti when he speaks in his speeches. What do you think about women empowerment in India? Has he worked for the women in India?
Yeah, I definitely feel that he has worked for women empowerment in India. Whenever we go to India and whenever we interact with all our family members and friends over there, we can definitely feel the energy that is there. The women are energized, the general public is very energized. A lot of wonderful things happening. India is just a new wave of energy. And yeah, I definitely feel that there's empowerment all around.
Empowerment is already there. And ma'am, about women, it's also I believe the sister state. Delaware is seen as Gujarat's sister state. So the son of soil of Gujarat, here and Mr. Joe Biden's hometown. So the significance is very clear.
Yes, we are so excited to invite and have the Prime Minister of the greatest democracy of the world, India, into our small state of Delaware. Joe Biden, our president, has done wonderful things to this state as well as this country, and to have these two great leaders meet today and celebrate their relationship is just amazing. We are so happy to welcome Prime Minister Modi ji to Delaware. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And this is the feeling, I think, amongst the people here, Akanksha, that people from all ages, all walks of life, the Indian diaspora community, 5.1 million Indian Americans in America, and a small part of it in Delaware, but they are the small community of Indians in Delaware is making its voice heard today as the Prime Minister comes here. And
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC TV 18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV 18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV 18 on all the social media platforms.